Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. What is a full-size touring sedan? Well, that's defined as one sedan that can comfortably transport 5 people across long distances very comfortably. Now, what is my definition of the best luxury sedan? Stick around, let me tell you about this one. This is our 2007 Toyota Avalon, and in my opinion, the Avalon is the best luxury touring sedan ever manufactured. This car is going to be very, very comfortable. It's going to be very smooth, very comfortable, quiet ride, and it is extraordinarily durable. It's one thing Toyota brings to this market that you don't see in other luxury touring sedans, is that durability that you can trust more than any other. Again, this car is going to be very, very large. It's going to give you a lot of comfort up front and in the back seat. And then, of course, in your trunk, you're going to get a ton of space back here. See, back here, the trunk is ginormous. It's huge. Look at the space. You can haul all kinds of stuff back here. You do have that folding back, plus you have a pass-through there, which is very nice. You do have grocery bag holders on either side there, so you can hang your groceries right here and not worry about them sliding around everywhere. Very solid cars. Now, when we move into the back seat, you can see you're going to have a ton of space back here. I mean, a ton of space. You can very comfortably haul 3 passengers back here, probably more so than any other vehicle out there. It's very, very comfortable. Very spacious. Up front here, of course, we're going to have all of our power options. You're going to have your power driver's seat. You can take note of the condition of the car. It is very, very clean and has been very well maintained. Your steering wheel is tilting, of course, and that is telescoping, so you can draw it to you or away from you. Here we're going to have our duplicate climate control temperatures here. You can adjust your climate control right there. Of course, you do have dual climate control, and you're going to have your automatic transmission. This is going to be your Tiptronic transmission. You can put it in automatic, or you can change the gears yourself. If you don't know how Tiptronic transmissions work, go to citymotors.net, go to our YouTube page, and watch the tutorial on Tiptronic transmissions. Very good feature to have. This one also has your very large console there, and you do have a backup camera in your rear view mirror. You do get premium alloy wheels. Now, the best part about this, in addition to all the space that you're going to get and the incredible durability that you're going to have with Toyota, is the fact that you're going to be in a little powerhouse. This thing is 268 horsepower, tons of power for this car. It actually accelerates really, really quick, able to handle open roads and mountain roads very comfortably. Additionally, you're going to get 31 miles to the gallon. That is 31 miles to the gallon in a car with this kind of power and this kind of size. That's what makes this thing the ultimate luxury touring car. Go anywhere you want to go, hop in the car, ride across country if you want to. You don't have to worry about the thing breaking down. You don't have to worry about being uncomfortable. You don't have to worry about it guzzling too much fuel. The perfect touring sedan. And under $9,000. Under 100,000 miles, under $9,000. This is a phenomenal value. You do not want to miss this thing. The first person that comes in and takes a look at this thing and test drives it is going to fall in love and take it home. Do not miss this thing. At City Motors, we're going to give you a 6-month, 7,500 mile warranty. That is coast to coast with roadside assistance. If you're out of the area, have no fear, you can buy here. That warranty is coast to coast and works where you are. We also have 0 processing fees. That's no processing fees here at City Motors. Do not play those fee games. It's easy to find dealers charging fees that surpass 10% of the value of this car. Don't do that craziness. Don't pay those stupid fees. No fees here at City Motors. You can call us at 540-433-7335. You can text that number 24/7 for immediate service anytime. Just do it quick. Don't miss this car. We hope to see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.